wa mbeũ njĩthĩ na makiria. Mwana wa Kahii gukorwo akiyeherania na minyororo ya unyui wa dawa cia kurebia, akiuga ati ĩno nĩ njĩra ĩmwe ya kana nĩ ũndũ ũmwe ũcũngĩrĩirie macũngĩrĩro moru na makiria. Rĩrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ aingĩ monekanĩte gukorwo magĩtahwo nĩ ũndũ ũcio, akiaria arĩ thukuru-inĩ wa kagumo hĩndĩ ya ukunguiri wa miaka 90 kuma hĩndĩ ĩrĩa thukuru ũcio wambiririo. Pastor Dorcas nĩonekanĩte kana nĩ athiĩte na mbere na kuga atĩ ndegũtigithĩrĩria atĩ nĩ akorwo akĩhonokia mwana wa Kahii. Rĩu nĩorĩtie imwana cia thukuru ũcio cietheme na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia, akiuga atĩ nĩ bũgũgĩtie mĩciĩ mĩingĩ na andũ arĩa makoretwo magĩcihũthĩra gũtirĩ kĩguni marĩ nakĩo gũkinyĩria rĩu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We look forward, and you know, when I say those great men who are sitting here as the old boys, and those who have in the past contributed to this country and the society and the communities, not only in Kenya but international, I also look forward to mentioning your names, my boys and my sons, in the near future as Kenyans who have made it in this country and in other countries. And I must see that there is justice that is served for creation, and especially by boy children. There is no way a country can be able to neglect a seed carrier, and we expect to thrive. We must fight, protect, and continue to fight for the boy child. We have neglected him, and we are paying very dearly. They are all in the gutter, and all the girls are sophisticated, they are resourced, and they are sophisticated up there without husbands to marry.
We feel very privileged to have you in our midst, even to know that you are an active board member of this great school. You have done a lot, Your Excellency, in terms of molding the future of the boy child, counseling people who require counseling, and all of us require counseling. And I will not hesitate to say what I said earlier, that I personally have benefited from your spiritual counseling.
Haya, tugithina mbere ni ati county ya West Pokot ni mwe ya county